This is Zia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make no-bake stuffed chocolate balls. These are so easy to make and they're so tasty and chocolatey, fudgy and gooey. I can't wait to make these. Let's hop over and make them. To make these Oreo balls, we will need 12 Oreo cookies, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup, some melted chocolate for garnishing, some cashew nuts, some sprinkles, and a mixing bowl and a spoon to mix. To start off with, separate the cream from the cookies like I am doing over here. Now I'm going to roll the center cream from the cookies that we separated into balls. Now we're going to refrigerate these balls until we finish the outer coating. Crush the cookies into a fine sandy powder. I've crushed the cookies into a fine sandy powder and now I'm going to add it into the mixing bowl and keep it aside. Make a dough from the chocolate syrup, milk and the cookie crumbs. Here we're done with the dough. Now we're going to divide the dough into 6 equal parts. Flatten the dough on your hand and put one of the center filling on the top. Cover the center filling with the dough uniformly and roll into a ball.
Store them in the refrigerator for 10 minutes.
The balls are nice and chilled and we're going to coat them in melted chocolate. We're going to decorate these balls with some sprinkles and some cashew nuts. Now we're going to put these balls into the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. Then ready to eat! It's tasting time! Look at that center! Wow, these are amazing! Here's a cooling tip. If you want a little bit more crunch, you can dip these balls into some crushed cornflakes. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I really enjoyed demonstrating this recipe for you guys. Do share your feedback once you try this recipe. I really like to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now. See you in my next video.